Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Polkadot from Coinbase to your Arculus wallet in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresh, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Polkadot is a popular blockchain asset, and moving it to a secure wallet like Arculus is a smart move for better control and safety. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with Polkadot in it, the Arculus wallet app installed on your device, and a basic understanding of crypto transactions. Always double-check your wallet address to avoid any mishaps. Crypto is irreversible. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account on the web or mobile app. Once you're in, navigate to your portfolio and select the Polkadot asset. You'll see an option to withdraw or send. Click that. Step 2. In the withdrawal section, choose the Polkadot network. It's crucial to select the correct network, like the Polkadot mainnet, to ensure compatibility with your Arculus wallet. Next, open your Arculus wallet app and go to the Receive section to generate a Polkadot address. Copy that address carefully. Step 3. Paste the Arculus wallet address into the To field on Coinbase. Enter the amount of Polkadot you want to withdraw, making sure you leave enough for any network fees. Review the details, double-check the address and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Coinbase. Step 4. Sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the Polkadot has arrived. A quick tip. Always use two-factor authentication and keep an eye on gas fees, as they can vary. If you run into issues, Coinbase support or Arculus help resources are great places to turn. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Polkadot from Coinbase to Arculus wallet in 2025. It's easier than it sounds, and you'll feel more secure managing your assets. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.